Wow! Even the walls of justice stood still. Supreme Court staff came out to honor Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the symbol of courage and freedom. Now, let's go into subject news line. Today, the 13th of November, 2025. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was seen leaving the Supreme Court complex after submitting his legal documents. Staff and workers of the court came out to catch a glimpse of the resilient freedom advocate, cheering him on as he exited. #Free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The atmosphere was phenomenal. The word glimpse means a brief or quick look at something or someone. So in our summary and analysis, staff and workers of the court came out to catch a glimpse of the resilient freedom advocate. It means they came out to see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, even if only for a moment, maybe as he passed by, entered a car, or walked through the court area. It suggests curiosity and admiration, like when people gather just to see someone important or famous in person, even briefly. Exactly. It truly is an honor. That kind of moment shows how deeply people admire and respect him. When workers and onlookers step out just to catch a quick glimpse, it's a powerful sign of solidarity, love, and recognition of his courage and influence. It's emotional and supportive reaction indeed. Amazing. A moment of pride and hope. Workers cheer as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We will not forget. We will not be silent. Diaspora resistance is rising. Now watch and share.
IPOB! So when you're in her office, so this is the thing. Hanging, they give a directive that Count 7 doesn't exist anymore. So that they should amend it, change it, it doesn't exist. I still play to that 740 law.
Yes, it was an error.
It's an error, big error. So I want them to correct
That
it.
was one of the motions we asked, that can appeal should be set aside.
That's correct.
And it has not been had.
Some of the errors and mistakes
Now that judgment,
in the judgment.
and the reason why it should give you a closer date.
Absolutely.
A closer date to get the motion.
Yeah, only on
Because these are the things that you listed.
And
The fundamental error.
it's none at the main judgment. It's upon it. Page 22, page 25, page 26, page 27. The main thing about that has now repealed laws and not found any prosecution. They still remitted back repealed laws to the High Court.
For the Federal High Court to correct it.
Oh, it's true. To correct it. They have not corrected it. So I had to come back here. I will
For them to correct it.
yes, they didn't correct it because it's an error on the face of the record.
And there are some directives were hanging. And it was not compliant.
Yes, especially with Count 7.
And that was the reason why it's clear.
Absolutely.
Why it should.
I need to know because how could their judgment they say that my Count 7?
I want to tell you that the agreement between the British and the Fulani has collapsed. And the only person that collapsed it is Trump. I want the world to understand this.
IPOB! 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 One family!
You've just heard a message that echoes the cries of the oppressed and the resolve of the free. At Biafra Battle Cry TV, we stand firm in amplifying voices that challenge tyranny and defend humanity. Stay vigilant, stay united, and never stop speaking truth to power. Until next time, keep the fire of freedom burning.